Welcome to BookWell. Practice Hub is your console for centrally managing all client entities. Click the Business Settings icon on the right to enter settings. The Settings page configures all foundational rules for the business. Next, let's click on the Users tab at the top to manage your team members. In the User Management interface, you can check the status of all current members. Click the Invite button at the top right to invite a new member. Enter the invitee's email address in the pop-up. Then choose their global role. Admin has full management privileges, while member can be restricted for specific tasks. For the member role, you can fine-tune their internal permissions. Once confirmed, click Send Invitation. Invitation sent successfully. The user's status will now show as pending, awaiting acceptance. The invitee simply checks their email, clicks Accept to accept the invitation, and logs into BookWell to successfully join the team. Once active, you can change their role and permissions directly in the list at any time. Click Assigned Clients to flexibly grant access to specific clients via toggles. The trash icon on the right is used to remove members. Alternatively, return to Practice Hub and click the Manage Access next to a specific company. This allows you to quickly grant or revoke access to this company for different team members. From a client perspective, BookWell, live better.